But to me, the Congress is a bit like the Chetak. It had its days, and right now doesn't seem very relevant. It has not kept itself relevant, and there is some dissonance around that brand. And certainly, I am a believer that corruption has a lot to do with it. And because I come from the belief that corruption is a thousand-headed monster, it is at the root of many of the other symptoms that we see around us, such as poor infrastructure, poor education, women's atrocities, policy paralysis. I think at the root of a lot of these is the issue of corruption, either the fact that there is corruption, rampant corruption, scams, or the fact that apparently people in government, bureaucrats are now hesitant and tentative to act because they are afraid they may be liable for something in the future. So when viewed in this broad sense, I think corruption is a huge issue that hangs over the Congress party right now. My own view, personal view about the BJP is that it's a bit like the Splendor was to the Chetak. It's new and improved. It's a little better and different. But frankly, it's still the same animal. I've been in business 23 years, and my humble submission would be that I have not seen any reason to believe that when it comes to the issue of good, clean governance, the BJP is any better than the Congress. So for me, that's not really an alternative as an individual citizen of this country. To me, the Aam Aadmi Party is a bit like the Pulsar. It is clearly different. It creates a space of its own. You may like it, you may hate it, but you cannot ignore it. It might flatter to deceive. It may not be for everyone. It's certainly not for the office guy that wants to commute back and forth or wants to take his wife and 2 kids out. Maybe Pulsar is not for him. So the Pulsar is not for everyone. But it is sharp and it runs deep with those for whom it is intended to be. So, on the basis of that analogy, I would say that Arvind and the Aam Aadmi Party have carved out a very distinct space for themselves. And I think, if I may say so, they've done a fantastic marketing job. What is marketing? Marketing is about having a unique position in the mind of the customer. They have a unique position today. Anti-corruption, willing to give up the Chief Minister's position in 49 days, but not willing to apparently compromise on principles. Unique position. Marketing is about having a great name. I think Aam Aadmi Party or AAP is a great name. Marketing is having a great tagline. I think Mujhe Chahiye Sacha Swaraj is a great tagline. I think marketing is having a great logo. And I think the Jhadu is a great logo. I think marketing is about being consistent to the point of being boring and rhetorical. And I think I see that as well whenever I hear Arvind speak. So I think they've done a fantastic marketing job. And if I think of myself as a little bit of a marketing person, that marketing person in me likes what I see.
This is the argument, Mr. Bajaj, that I've heard recently, that and especially from people who are sort of coming over to the Aam Aadmi Party. They say the difference between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi is, in the BJP you've got Mr. Modi who's clean, but there are allegations of corruptions against other leaders in the party. But with Aam Aadmi you've got Mr. Kejriwal who seem to be clean, and and the party itself is seen as to be clean as well. Is that the basic difference between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP as you see it? What's your sense?
Yeah, I'm not sure whether by saying what I'm going to say I will precisely answer your question, but what I would say is this, that let me be very candid and very upfront about this. I have had the occasion to meet Mr. Rahul Gandhi more than once, and I have found him to be a very likable person. I have enjoyed meeting him. I have found him to be quite bright, sincere, etc. on more than one occasion. Both whether I met him in Delhi or even traveled to Kashmir University with him once, accompanied by other business people. So I have enjoyed knowing him. I'm going to say that upfront. I have never met Mr. Modi, hence I have no opinion to offer on him. And Arvind, of course, I've known better. Are you still there?
Go on, I'm here.
Okay. Arvind, I have known a little. Arvind, I have had occasion to meet even more often, and the difference to me is that Arvind, as an individual, for the way he thinks, the way he presents himself, what he says he intends to do, I find not only appealing, not only likable, I find inspirational. And that is why I said that I am a well-wisher and to the point of being a fan. That's one point I'd like to make about the three individuals.